Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today, we've got something super exciting for you. We're diving into the best massage guns of 2024, covering the latest innovations designed to relieve pain, boost recovery, and help you de-stress. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone who enjoys a good massage, we've got the perfect picks to help you feel your best. Theragun Elite. Let's kick things off with the Theragun Elite, an ultra-quiet, handheld deep tissue massage gun that's Bluetooth-enabled for personalized pain relief. This device delivers 5-in-1 benefits, helping with everything from post-workout recovery to improved mobility and stress relief. It comes with 5 high-quality foam attachments for pinpoint treatments. Whether you need to ease tension in your back, target trigger points, or soothe your legs after a long run. The ergonomic design, featuring a patented triangle handle, reduces strain on your wrists, making it comfortable for extended use. Plus, the OLED screen and customizable speed settings give you full control over your routine, making it perfect for everything from sensitive areas to full-power muscle therapy. Add the TheraBody app to customize your experience even further with step-by-step guides for issues like arthritis or sciatica. Ekrin Athletics Kestrel. Now let's talk about the Ekrin Athletics Kestrel, a massage gun designed for precision and comfort that really ups the game in muscle recovery. With an optimized 13mm stroke length, it penetrates deep enough to relieve muscle tension without being overwhelming. What's super cool is the intuitive scroll wheel that allows for seamless control between 6 speed settings, ranging from 1800 to 3500 RPM. No more cycling through options to find the perfect one. It also comes with USB-C PD fast charging, so you'll have it powered up in no time. The enhanced grip and sleek chrome bezel make it comfortable to hold even during longer sessions, while the 6 locking attachments, including a new air cushion attachment, provide a variety of treatments, from gentle relaxation to intense recovery. This massage gun really gives you a tailored, worry-free experience. TheraGun Prime. The TheraGun Prime is all about simplifying deep tissue therapy while maintaining the powerful percussive massage technology TheraGun is known for. It's designed to help ease discomfort, relax tight muscles, and speed up recovery after workouts, making it ideal for athletes and everyday users alike. With 4 high-quality foam attachments, it targets everything from trigger points to overall muscle relief. The ergonomic triangle handle reduces strain on your wrist and hands, allowing for better control and comfort during use. Plus, it offers 5 customizable speed ranges to tailor your treatment, whether you're working on sensitive areas or needing full power. What sets this apart is its Bluetooth connectivity, syncing up with the TheraBody app for personalized routines, so you can get guidance on how to tackle specific issues like arthritis or sciatica. SORUDEL. Next, the SORUDEL massage gun stands out as an efficient tool for deep tissue massage and pain relief, perfect for athletes or anyone seeking quick recovery. Equipped with 7 different massage heads, this gun targets specific muscle groups to ease tension, boost blood circulation, and accelerate recovery after physical activity. You can easily adjust between 6 different speed and intensity levels, allowing for a fully personalized massage experience, whether you want something gentle or more intense for deep muscle penetration. Despite its power, the SORUDEL massage gun operates quietly so you won't disturb anyone around you. Its lightweight, compact design makes it super portable for gym use or travel, and with its long-lasting rechargeable battery, you don't have to worry about frequent recharges. This massager offers both versatility and convenience, providing various massage techniques to fit your needs, whether it's for relaxation or post-workout recovery. Bob & Brad T2 Pro. And finally, we have the Bob & Brad T2 Pro massage gun that takes recovery to the next level by offering both heat and cold therapy in one compact device. Whether you're recovering from surgery or just finished a grueling workout, this massage gun lets you seamlessly switch between 2 optimized temperature presets for targeted pain relief. Cold therapy helps support sore muscles and joints, while heat therapy combats stiffness and soreness that keep you from feeling your best. Powered by a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, it boasts 2 to 5 hours of working time, so you can focus on your recovery without constantly recharging. With a deep muscle treatment amplitude of 10 millimeters and over 40 pounds of stall force, this percussion massage gun delivers serious power. Ideal for athletes and fitness lovers. The T2 Pro is impressively quiet, under 60 decibels, and features an ergonomic silicone handle for easy use, whether you're at the gym or home. Developed by physical therapists Bob and Brad, it comes with 5 massage heads and 5 speed settings to target specific muscle groups for a more customized recovery routine. And there you have it, the best massage guns of 2024 to help you recover faster, relieve muscle pain, and keep your body in top shape. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more awesome gear reviews, and let us know in the comments which massage gun you're excited to try out. Until next time, stay relaxed and pain-free.